wiring issues again?
Yeah, I have these great marking strips on the terminal block that I printed using WAGO's smartPRINTER, but I can't figure out which wires go where.
Looks like you could use some wire markers.
That would be great. And I can use the smartPRINTER that I use for the marking strips as well.
That's right. All you have to do is type the text you want the marker to display, print, and then attach to the wire, like this. Pretty easy.
Being able to use the same design program and printer will not only save money, but also precious time.
Not only that, but wiring will go twice as fast.
WAGO smartPRINTER.
Creating wire markers make it a quick and easy
2 for Tuesday. Go to www.wago.com/us/discover-marking to learn more about our smartPRINTER and other marking options.
After reading and watching how easy our marking accessories are, feel free to request a sample bag of marking solutions by going to www.wago.com/us/marking-sample, or simply click the link in the text above. Happy Tuesday.